Hello coders, and welcome to episode 0.3 of the Google Apps Script playlist. This video we're going to be talking about the Apps Script dashboard. So this is where you're going to go to access and manage all of your projects. It's script.google.com, and when you go to that URL, you're going to have something that looks just like this, and we'll get into some of the specifics. But this will be the gateway to your app script projects. In here you can open and create new scripts. You can analyze execution data, like how many users are using the project, how many times has it ran, how many times have your functions run. But then also you can do things like view active triggers. So if you have any automation set up like time-based triggers or event-based triggers, you can view them here as well. So let's have a look at it in our own browser. Alright, so here is your app script dashboard. Again, you go to script.google.com and you will be presented with this view. So by default, it gives you the My Projects option on this sidebar. So again, we have 0 projects right now, but that's alright because we will start adding more projects. And as we do, we'll get to see them in a list format down this page right here. You also have options such as starred projects for those very important projects that you just want to select immediately. You have all projects shared with me, so these are the projects that other people have made but have shared with you to collaborate on. You have things like the trash, which obviously these are the ones that you've deleted but haven't permanently deleted yet. And then you have things like my executions, my triggers, settings, help. We'll get into more of these as we make projects, but since we don't have any projects right now, it might not be super useful to start explaining what these my executions triggers mean. So we'll get into these more as we start creating projects, but let's get started right now. So the way to create your first project is to click on this button here, which is a plus new project. It'll redirect you to this page. And this page is your IDE, if you will, for app scripts. So this is where this is the environment you'll do all of your coding in. It gives you a default function, my function, to start just typing right away. Let's first though rename our project. Let's call it season 0. Hit OK. And it may take some time to save if this is their first time saving, but you'll have things like, you have these buttons up here, file, edit, view, run. All of these mean something and they're extremely useful, but we'll get into that more later. You have the run button, debug button, triggers button, and save button. Over here you have all of your file structure, so if you add more files, which you may do, it'll appear all the way down here. And okay, so now it has saved. Let's go back to our dashboard. And you'll see right here is season 0. So this is our very first project that we made. It's owned by me, last modified 11/14, which is exactly the time that it is now. And so that's very good. So if you look back here, this is where, again, you'll do a lot of your coding, which we'll do in subsequent videos. But as for this video, that's all I have for you now. And also, I'll see you in the next video.